In this video, we've picked some of the best lawn sweepers you can buy right now, based on real use, research, and cleaning up actual yards over time. Here's the honest part. Not every lawn sweeper works the same, and picking the wrong one can make yard work feel harder instead of easier. Some of these are great for quick cleanups after mowing, others are made for heavy fall leaves, and a few are built to cover large lawns fast. In a moment, I'll show you which ones are worth using, which type fits your yard size, and how to avoid wasting money on a sweeper that doesn't match your needs. At number 5, the Earthwise 21-inch push lawn sweeper is a very basic but reliable option for light cleanup. This is the kind of sweeper that works best when you're maintaining a lawn regularly, not letting debris pile up for weeks. In testing, it handled dry leaves, pine needles, and fresh grass clippings without much effort, especially on short, evenly cut grass. At around 13 pounds, it's extremely easy to push and control, which makes a real difference for seniors or anyone who doesn't want a heavy tool. There's no engine, no battery, and nothing complicated to maintain, which is a big plus if you value simplicity. That said, it struggles with wet leaves, thick thatch, or uneven ground. This isn't a power tool replacement, it's a lightweight maintenance tool for small, flat lawns. At number 4, the Scott's Outdoor Power Tools 26-inch push lawn sweeper improves on the same concept with a wider path and sturdier heel. The extra width may not sound like much on paper, but in actual use, it noticeably reduces the number of passes needed on a medium-sized yard. The height adjustment system is also more forgiving, which helps when the lawn isn't perfectly level. During cleanup after mowing, it picked up clippings more consistently than smaller sweepers, and it handled dry leaves and small acorns without constant repasses. Like all manual sweepers, it works best when debris is dry and loose, but for homeowners who want faster cleanup without moving into tow-behind territory, this model strikes a good balance between efficiency and ease of use. At number 3, the Agrifab 26-inch push lawn sweeper is where you start to feel a step up in build quality. The frame is stronger, the brushes spin more efficiently, and the hopper holds noticeably more debris. In side-by-side use, it required fewer passes to fully clear the same area compared to lighter models, which matters a lot during heavy fall leaf season. The adjustability is also better, making it more effective on lawns with mild dips or uneven sections. This is a good choice for homeowners with medium to larger yards who still want a push sweeper but don't want something that feels flimsy or disposable. It's also designed with storage in mind, folding down when not in use, which helps if garage space is limited. At number 2, the Ohio Steel 50-inch tow-behind lawn sweeper is built for scale. This is not a casual yard tool. It's designed for people with riding mowers or lawn tractors who need to clean large areas efficiently. The 50-inch sweeping width combined with a 26 cubic foot hopper allows you to cover a lot of ground before stopping to empty it. In use, it handles not just leaves, but also sticks, pine cones, and heavier debris, thanks to its heavy-duty brushes and sealed ball bearings. It's especially useful on properties an acre or larger, or for homeowners who manage multiple lawns. The trade-off is size and cost. It requires compatible towing equipment and enough storage space. But if your property demands it, this sweeper saves hours of manual labor. At number 1, the AllFit HD 50-inch push lawn sweeper stands out because it offers a wide sweeping path without needing to be towed. A 50-inch manual sweeper is extremely uncommon, and that width significantly reduces cleanup time on larger lawns. The trade-off is weight. At over 100 pounds, this is not something you casually push around tight spaces or slopes. In practice, it works best on large, flat lawns where you want fewer passes but don't own a lawn tractor. The construction feels solid and built for long-term use, but availability can be inconsistent, and some units are sold refurbished. Anyone considering this model should pay close attention to warranty coverage and return policies. Still, for the right yard, it fills a gap that most sweepers don't. So, those are our picks for the best lawn sweepers, each chosen for a specific type of yard and cleanup need. If you've got a small, flat lawn and just want something simple, a lightweight push sweeper will do the job. If you're dealing with heavier leaf buildup or a larger space, stepping up to a more rugged or wider model can save you hours. And for big properties with a riding mower, a tow-behind sweeper is easily the most efficient option. Take a moment to match the sweeper to your lawn size and debris type, and you'll get far better results. If this breakdown helped, like the video and consider subscribing for more honest, hands-on lawn tool reviews.